Now, let's pretend we have something that looks like the top left. Okay. Now, we are going to substitute u. Okay, so first of all, u substitution works when there is a 4-2-0 scenario for exponents. If the exponents is 4-2-0, then you should be thinking u substitution. Okay? So now watch this. I'm just going to do a really quick rewrite. Okay? I'm going to rewrite it as 6t squared minus 7. I'm just going to put a parentheses. Okay? So it should be pretty clear that this green highlight is the same as that, and obviously that one's that. Okay. Now we're going to substitute, okay? We're going to let u equals to x squared, and you don't have to worry about this right here. Okay, we're going to let u equal to x squared. Okay, let's move that. Let's move that. And now we're going to get 6u squared minus 7u minus 3 equals to 0. Okay. So that to me that's really the only new part. We're substituting u for x squared. Okay. I should have said t, sorry. If it doesn't really matter, x, t, whatever variable this is, equals to t squared. Let me actually let's change that. Let's change this to x. Okay, just so there's no confusion over here. Okay. All right. And let's go with x and x. Okay. Now you use here, we're at this step, we use x with 3 r's. Okay. So we're going to get 3u plus 1, 3u, or 2u minus 3 equals 0 once you use x with 3 r's. Okay. Now, if you use a zero product property and solve, okay, you're going to get u equals to 1/3 negative, and u is going to equal to 3/2 positive. Okay. Now we're going to substitute back. Okay. We're going to substitute back in x squared. Okay. So now I get x squared equals to negative 1/3. X squared equals to 3/2. Okay. And we're going to square root both sides. Square root, square root, square root, square root. And this is going to be nothing. Okay, it's going to be imaginary because if you square root a negative number, you get imaginary. And the other one is going to be plus minus root 3/2. Because remember, anytime you square root, like x squared equals to 25, you get x equals to plus minus 5. Okay, after square rooting both sides. Okay, because x can equal to positive or negative 5. Okay, and that's basically u substitution right there. Okay, I had a typo over here. I put, okay. Now, sometimes what they do, okay, is rearrange something. Okay, so they'll rearrange this. Okay, they'll rearrange that to negative 7x minus 3, for example, equals to negative 6x to the power 4. So all you would do is just move this over to the other side by adding 6x to the power 4. Okay, let's say they rearranged it like this. Okay, 6x to the power of 4 equals to 7x plus 3. I would move everything in the direction that keeps the largest exponent coefficient, in this case 6, positive. Okay, so I would not move this over here. I would not do that. Okay, because that will mean that you get negative 6x to the power of 4 on the other side. Okay, I would move these. Okay, I would move these over there. So you will get 6x to the power of 4 minus 7x minus 3. Yes, good call. Thank you. Should be squared. Okay? All right, folks, I want you guys to do the next problems that you guys see on the screen.